Today I will show you how to scrape psychology course listings automatically from open.edu.au using Minexa.ai. No coding needed and API options included. I'm now on open.edu.au at the page with psychology courses ready to scrape. Now just click the Minexa.ai icon in your browser toolbar to open the extension. Press the violet button saying I'm on the right page, and Minexa.ai will scan the page to detect the psychology course listings. Minexa.ai's analysis found the main course listings automatically on the page, ready to be scraped with zero setup. Decide if you want to scrape just the course list, or also include details from each course's page. Continue for simple pages, or choose Advanced if you need clicks, inputs, or scrolling before the list appears. Minexa.ai found your data container and highlighted it automatically. Just hit Create Scraper, and it's ready to run anytime without setup. Minexa.ai detected every relevant data point for scraping psychology courses, including course titles, descriptions, providers, and durations, all without you writing any rules. Developers, click the API request button to get fast, cost-efficient access to exact data elements via a reusable API call. Hit the button to validate and save your scraper configuration, locking in all settings for future runs. Minexa.ai automatically detected pagination, so no courses are missed from pages beyond the first. If no pagination, just continue. Validate your scraping job and click Complete Setup. You can also schedule it to run regularly, for fresh data if needed. Just hit Run, and Minexa.ai handles everything from there, extracting data reliably every time without manual tweaks or errors. Here's the extracted dataset with multiple rows for psychology courses. You get course titles, providers, descriptions, delivery modes, and durations, all structured and ready to use. This consistent output is perfect for automated pipelines or regular reporting, without any manual cleanup. Hit Export to download your dataset instantly, with each course in its own row for easy analysis or integration. Any website, clean data, no hassle. For developers, no selector coding or infrastructure needed. Just one API call and precise structured output every time.